PowerPoint lesson. Today we are going to learn how to make presentations. So it is the first day of PowerPoint, and to open PowerPoint you will click on start, then you just type on the search area, you type PowerPoint, the word PowerPoint. So as you type, you will see the program being displayed there. As you can see on my screen, we have the PowerPoint program. So for those who are using Windows 7, you can still click on start and just type the word PowerPoint. It will be among the list of programs that will be displayed. So you click on it to be opened. So as I said, PowerPoint is a presentation program. You can use Microsoft PowerPoint in case you want to present ideas, you want to present facts, you want to present your projects in your schools. This is the best program that you can use for presentation. So as you open PowerPoint, the first screen that you are seeing here is the PowerPoint dashboard. So we can again create PowerPoint from a blank presentation. Somebody else will prefer to create it from templates. So this is an example of a template, but as we want to start from scratch, we just click on blank presentation. Then it will open the PowerPoint program. As you can see on my screen, we have the PowerPoint screen. Now it is important that you are able to identify parts of a PowerPoint window, same as we named before, but here I'm just going to name them again. We have the title bar. The topmost part of the PowerPoint window is the title bar. We have control buttons. Remember, if you want to close the PowerPoint window, you just close using that button. This is to restore and to maximize. So there are two buttons, restore and maximize. Then we have minimize. In case you want to do other activities, you can minimize that PowerPoint window. If you minimize that window, you can still get access to it on the taskbar. Remember, at the bottom of your screen we talked about the taskbar. You just click once. So the title bar, the control buttons, then we have the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar, just from the name quick access, it allows you to quickly access commands. You can simply add commands, you can activate the commands. So for example, you want to start the commands new on it, you will see the command new. You want to see open. So remember, if the command you are seeking to add is not displayed here, you can go to more commands and you will see other commands. Let's just wait. So you will see other commands being displayed. So if in case you want to use bullets in PowerPoint, you just add the shortcut for it. So the quick access toolbar, you can customize. You can customize it so that you have your own format. So just scroll, add everything that you want on the quick access toolbar. The save button is already there. If you don't want save, you just click on now remove. So after you finished on customizing the quick access toolbar, now I have a longer quick access toolbar. So make sure you can add or remove commands on it. So the menu, as you can see, this is our menu. Under the menu, when you click on a menu, a ribbon is displayed. This part is the part that we refer to as the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into groups: clipboard, slides, font, paragraph. So if you go to another home tab, to another menu tab, you click on design tab, for example, it has its own ribbon which has its own groups, command groups. So transition, so on, it has a ribbon below it. So under menu tab we have a ribbon. The ribbon is divided into command groups. Now in Excel we can also display, in PowerPoint we can also display rulers. Just click on view on the menu, then you click to activate the rulers. So that's how you activate rulers. So view on the menu, then ruler. So we have the rulers there. Then we have slides. So in Microsoft Word we talked about pages. In Excel we talked about sheets. Now in PowerPoint you are going to learn how to work with slides. It is important that you understand that. Now at the bottom of your PowerPoint window is a status bar. The status bar will indicate for us the number of slides that our PowerPoint presentation has. It will indicate if there are spelling mistake. This icon that looks like a book, it shows us if there are spelling mistakes. So in currently I have no text in my slide, but if I enter some text, for example, I want to enter the title of my presentation, so capital letters. I want to create a presentation about the English proverbs. That's what I'm presenting, proverbs. That is the title of my presentation. So the presenter will start by entering the title of his or the theme of what he's going to discuss about. Then in the subtitle box he can add your name, just as simple as that. Now you just, that's how the first slide will look like. To add a new slide, as you can see on my slides page, you can just right click on the current slide, right click, then new slide. Another way, you can go to home tab, click on home tab on the menu, you click on new slide. So when you click new slide, you will see various layouts. So for the beginning, I want us to use the title only layout. So I've said to start a new slide, you just go to home tab, click on new slide, click on new slide command. I want you to use title only for today, for the beginning. So click on title only. I'll start by entering the proverbs that I know about. For example, hurry. So you find, if in case I have any spelling mistake, like here I have a repeated word, you can right click, and just ignore once, just like in Microsoft Word has no thing. So in PowerPoint you must have the starting slide. In the first slide, you just click on the slide that you want to go to, or the first slide, ensure you enter the title of what you're presenting and the subtitle. Go to add a new slide, you say on home tab of the menu, click on home tab of the menu, then on the new slide command, just pick on title only. So again, I'm going to add some more slides, title only. Add the last slide, so you can continue to add more slides if you are creating your presentation. So expect by the end of this you come up also with your presentation about the English proverb, different ones. Don't use the one that I've already used on my slides. So the last proverb that I'm going to add, don't count now. That's the last proverb that I'm adding to my slide. So remember, at the beginning we had our introduction slide where we state the reason or the theme of our presentation. Then we add our proverbs in each and every slide like that. Then we need to add another last slide, new slide, the last one. Now when you're adding slide, make sure you click on the slide that you want to add a slide after. So if I'm adding a slide after slide 5, I select slide 5. So right now I want to add after slide 6. Just select slide 6, go to home tab, click on new slide. Then I'll just still use the title only. Now you can say end of the show, end of the show. So my presentation has a beginning and has the end, like that. So you find that I've organized my work in every slide. Each slide has its own point. That's how you use PowerPoint. That's how you can add slides in your PowerPoint program. So what we can do from here is saving your work. Remember to save your work. You just save it. I will save on my folder that I created on the desktop. Click on Save As. So go to this PC. It's on the desktop. So whereby I'll scroll to search for my folder. So on the desktop I have a folder that is called Mic. So to easily get to that, I can still search my folder from the search box. So like that, open it, then I'll get to my folder. This is the title of the presentation. Remember, I was presenting about English proverb. So name your presentation like that for you to be able to quickly access it in the near future. That's how you can create a simple presentation. That's how you can save your work. So saving your work in your own folder allows you to quickly access them for future use. So again, I would like us to talk about templates. Templates, you just click on File, click on New. So remember, you are not using blank. You can click on New. Then we have some templates here. You can see, just pick on the template that you want to use. You can just again type the type of template that you are searching for. So for example, for my case, I want to search for a template. I want to search for a template on rules and regulations or for a computer lab. So I want to save on time instead of starting from scratch. So from scratch, remember, it's blank presentation. You have to again start from the beginning. Today I want you to learn how to use templates. So for templates, let me just connect to the internet first. So for templates, you just search here, rules. Just type the keyword rules. You click on search, then wait for it to search throughout the internet. Then it will start displaying you for some rules. So here I have an example of playground rules, like in a field. I can just pick on that and start developing. Just click on create. Click on create. So PowerPoint is also simple to use because you have some templates. So you find that a template has already generated a document for you. What you will be doing is just to edit. Maybe I want to change this. I can change this to computer lab rules, a review of computer lab rules. Go to the next. Be kind, be safe. You can just change these rules to your own now rules. So I want you to be able to use templates in PowerPoint. I want you also to be able to start your presentation from scratch. So all that is on File. Click on New. File, New, blank presentation, or you can search for your own templates, just as we've said. You can scroll down to see other templates that you can just pick and use. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.